A little bit more footage of Bracebridge Falls and the Muskoka River below that. I'm standing just down from it. As you can see, some of these people's boathouses, you can see how high the water is. On the far side over here, there's a fellow down there with his boat in the boathouse. Hopefully he doesn't have the plug out of the back of his boat, because it'll be getting wet right now. And that one a little bit further down, you can just kind of see through the trees there. It's not that roof of that boathouse, or boat port, whatever you want to call it, is not that far off the water. When we look down here, we see where there was once a nice dock and walkway. It's all underwater. Things will be back to normal before too long, but there's going to be a lot of cleanup have to be done. The joys of living near water and in Muskoka, but it's all worth it. I'd rather be here than in the city any day of the week.